Hello, my name is Yu Xiaosun. Today I would like to share my reflection on MGMT 5050. So before starting this course, I believe that the most fundamental side of being a responsible professional was to abide by the law, the meet deadline, and satisfy my employers. All these starting points were personal. As long as I'm an individual adhered to the bottom line, everything would work out. And in the second week, we discussed the open system series and the unit nations sustainable development goals. This was a turning point. I realized that every business decision has a significant impact on people, the planet, and even for the profits. So professional behavior doesn't only affect the individual; it also have the far-reaching implications. And this changed my mindset from my job is just to do my job to my job should consider maybe the entire system that I'm influencing. This gave me a completely different perspective on starting point of my actions. And then for the insight and the learning, the concept had the great impact on me is the ethical decision making framework from the fifth week. In the past, my decisions were mainly based on personal institution and personal values. Now I can understand and recognize them. So firstly, for the technique, based on the result, I have learned to weigh the short-term and long-term impact on my decisions on different group. For example, based on the group assignment, I would firstly consider the quality of my own work rather than looking for the problems with the other group members. And the starting point can have a significant impact on the group assignment grade, work ethic, and then for the work ethics, focus on whether the behavior reflects the quality, such as the integrity and fairness. So, for my personally, these workers are the basis of decision makings. This makes me understand that having a start point alone is not enough. In the eighth week, the decision on the moral leadership, and then, for example, the problem of the Unilever resist the short-term profit pressure and short long-term sustainability. Even under great pressure, the values still match their actions. So this makes me more confident to first consider long-term development, even if the decisions has maybe impact on short-term profits, as long as benefits to long-term development, it also can be taken. And then for the applying and what I've learned in my future career, I plan to apply system thinking to assess the feasibility of future decision makes and use the 7-step ethical decisions making process to ensure that my choices are both reasonable and fair. I will also focus on balancing the needs of the all stakeholders, not only for the shareholders. So before taking this class, I feel that the professional knowledge was sufficient to perform my job well, but now I consider that it is the most fundamental ability. When fulfilling the leadership test, I will also take into account many factors such as company transparency and sustainability. So this class not only provided me with the theories, it also reshaped my perspective on my roles in the workplace. That's all. Thanks for listening.